This is a 2012 Lincoln MKX. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 3.7-liter V6. Its top features include 10 perfectly positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: air conditioning, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, side curtain airbags, external temperature display, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Ford Lincoln of Franklin is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1129 Murfreesboro Road in Franklin.